Hi, I wanted to talk to you about this radio that I got recently. So as you can see, it's a very basic radio that we're used to seeing. There is a couple things about it that I like, and one thing that I like about it is this screen right here that makes it easy to tell the time and also to find your radio station. And I'm going to explain to you how that works. So to set your time, you're going to hit this button right here that says time, and then you'll move over here and scroll through. And as you can see, it's doing military time. So I'm gonna set the hour and then the minute, and yeah, super easy to do. So it also has AM, FM, and then a shortwave radio length. I, of course, use FM. So I'm going to twist this knob on, and it's switching to the radio. Got some white noise. So, also it has an antenna if you're having trouble picking up your favorite radio station. There we go. So you can tell the sound sounds good. It also has a high and low tone option right here that you can switch back and forth on. And this is where you scroll through, if you didn't notice already, to select your station. And right here, it tells you where you're at, which I like so much better than that needle that used to be on radios. That's so much more convenient. This radio also has a cord that comes with it, or you can use 4 size D batteries. So overall, it's super easy to use, and it's upgraded from that normal radio that we all grew up with.